Hello and welcome to this exciting journey on mastering DBT, which is a data build tool. So, my name is Imran and I'm very happy to have you on board. So, in this course, we'll deep dive into the world of DBT, so which is basically a game changer in the modern data transformation. So, whether you are a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, so this course will guide you step by step to build, document, and test the robust data pipelines. So DBT is a backbone of modern data stack. So already companies around the world are adopting it, and learning DBT can unlock exciting career opportunities as a data engineer, analytics engineer, or a BI developers. So throughout this course, you will learn everything from the basics of DBT to the advanced features like macros and Jinja templates, and even we'll work on the real projects as well. So now let me just share you the detailed syllabus, like what we're gonna cover in this particular course. All right, so here in this course, I have divided into three different levels. One is the introduction level, basics level, intermediate level, and the advanced level, and have one topic with respect to the expert. So here in the introduction level, so I have the different topics like introduction to DBT. So where we'll discuss what is DBT, important features of DBT, DBT benefits. Okay, why need to go with the DBT, and we'll understand like what is analytics, analytical engineering. So then later, even in the introduction, I have the account setup because while learning the DBT, even we need a data warehousing concepts, right? So here we'll be learning how to do the setup with the Snowflake. So here just we have this small prerequisite. You should know the basics of the SQL because so in this course we'll not be covering the SQL part. So here in the account setup, we'll see like how we can just do the Snowflake setup, and even we'll do the set up with the DBT as well as the Snowflake. Okay, so basically the connection between the DBT and the Snowflake. So then we'll start with the basics. Okay, so here we'll discuss the DBT concepts, like very importantly, what is DBT project. Okay, so what are different folders we have in the DBT project, what are models. Okay, what is the meaning of models. Okay, and throughout this course we'll be taking a sample data set and we'll be working as a real-time project. So you'll get a real-time exposure, so you'll understand like how to build those models. Okay, so what are the different functions is available um, in the DBT, right? And so throughout this model buildings, we'll be using a common table expressions. So even I assume that you know SQL and you know how to work with the CTs. So next is we'll start with the DBT fundamentals. Okay, so here we'll learn it's just an introduction of like what is macros, what is testing, and what are different types of testing we have in the DBT. Then we'll move on to the materialization. So here we'll discuss like what are different types of materializations is available in DBT, like table, view, okay, ephemeral models. Okay, so we'll try to learn all those things. So then we'll learn what is seeds and sources. Okay, like what is sources. Okay, how to do the source freshness. Okay, what is DBT seed. Okay, so then even we'll discuss the cloud features like collaboration and version control, like monitoring and alerting. Then how to schedule and automate your jobs in the DBT. So then we'll start with the Jinja. So here we'll discuss all about like basic Jinja template. I mean, like what is meaning of Jinja and how to write the Jinja code. So then we'll try to integrate that with the advanced DBT techniques. Okay, so like how to set up the incremental load. We'll write the custom macros. Okay, and more importantly DBT packages. So then in the advanced again we'll discuss snapshots. Okay, which is very important. Okay, we'll see like what are different types of snapshots we have and how we can just integrate that with the DBT. Then we'll see the analysis. Okay, so what is analysis? And finally, in the expert, I have just talked about like performance tuning. So yes, so this is all about the topics, okay, which we're gonna cover in this course. So see you soon in the course.